Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some balloons which I bought, and they're like pastel colours, or supposed to be. They don't look as pastel as they did in the photo, but what I wanted to do was make some old school squishies with balloons and some flour, and also I've got this like mesh thing, which I wonder, you know how some squishies, when you squish them, like the balloon kind of goes through the netting, but I think it might be a bit too thin, quite possibly, so I'll see what that looks like. But yeah, I just really want to make some old school stuff, and I've also got like this felt to make some cute faces and stick the faces onto the balloon, which I thought would be a really cute idea. And I've got this just some plain flour, which I plan to sort of sieve into a balloon, but I don't know how it's going to work because they sort of need to be bigger. I'm not sure. I haven't really figured that out. I'm going to go with a green one, I think, first, just to see how it goes. And I'll open up this. I guess I'm just gonna put the balloon around this lip, and I'll pull it up as high as I can. Okay. I have no idea if this is gonna work. I'm just sort of winging it. This might be a bad idea. Wow, okay. Yeah. I mean, how do you then get the flour into the balloon? Is it just a case of shaking it, or pushing it in? This is so random. Oh my god. You know when you just think, what am I doing with my life? This is one of those moments. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can squish it all in with this. Oh, that works. That actually works really well. Okay, I'm just gonna keep doing this. Okay, I'm just gonna see if there's an easier way to do this. Okay, someone much smarter than me thought of a much better way to do this, and I'm just gonna copy them. So they used a like a bottle, but I don't have like a plastic one. I've just got this metal one, and essentially you just put the flour in that first. So I'm just gonna squish all of this down into the bottle. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks like quite enough in there. Okay, and then I was supposed to blow up the balloon. I'm gonna try. I might need to get my partner to do this because I'm really bad at blowing up balloons anyway. I don't know how well it will work with a whole load of flour in it already, but you know what? Let's give it a go. Probably end up choking. Okay. I actually managed to blow this up. It's like, oh, it's not so bad. And then basically what you want to do is holding the end so that it doesn't let out air. You want to put the end over the rim of the bottle, so this might be a bit tricky. It doesn't feel like a lot of flour. I'm just going to let some of the air out. Oh. And I'll just make sure it's nice and tight there. That's quite a nice feeling. Nice. I'm just going to see what it looks like with the net, but I don't think that this is gonna do what I want to do. If I tighten it here, yeah, it's not really. Nah, I prefer it without. Okay, so cute. I might make a few others now. I might make a yellow one and a pink one, and maybe a purple one as well. Oh, I just love it. It's so that's so fun. Okay, right, I'm just gonna put this down for a second, and I'm just gonna stretch it out a bit. Oh, there's something so satisfying about it. Oh, it looks like a little pear. Oh, or like a little raindrop. That's cute. Okay, sorry. Right. Okay, so I'm going to put some flour into this again. I'm not going to bother with the funnel because that was just quite long-winded, and I'm sure it'll be fine, I guess. Oh, there we go. Okay. Wow. That's so cool. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna make a pink one. Yeah, I think a pink one, and then I think that'll be it. I could do a blue as well, but maybe. And then there's a purple. Okay, I'm gonna do the pink first. There's just a little hole here that's appeared, which is not ideal. So I'm just trying to get some more space here that I can tie it again a bit closer. Okay, I am back again with the squishy thingies, squishy balloons. This one I ended up just tying a knot rather than trying to put it into another balloon, and I just used a bit of thread for that. I'm hoping it will hold okay. I think what I really like about this one as well is there's literally no air in it whatsoever, and oh, it has got a bit of a hole there though. yeah, you can sort of put it into whatever shape you want. So it's a bit, this is how I remember them being when I was a kid. But I really do like these ones because they've got some air in them. They probably won't have air in them forever. I appreciate that. But it does give it sort of like a bit of a bounce back, which I think is quite cute. But yeah, with balloons you tend to lose air over time. I guess it just seeps out. So they won't stay like this forever. So I'm going to make some little faces for them, and I also want to crochet some little hats. The thing that people normally do is they put loads of like yarn at the end and have like hair, but I don't really like that. I would rather them have just cute little hats. Apparently the best type of glue to use for this is like a latex type glue. I'm not sure. I've just got these sticky bits which are kind of like a tacky clear glue, which I think will work fine. And then I've obviously got some of this fleecy type material. So I'm just going to cut a bit off so it's easier to work with. And I think I'm just going to start making a whole bunch of eyes, which should be nice and easy. I'm thinking of doing like a little X. You know when it's like two triangles facing towards each other. I might try that as well because I think that would look quite cute. So I'll just do it like this. Okay, there's one. There. Aww, that's quite cute. I'll just make like a little circle for mouth. It's quite hard to do a circle with fleece. I don't think it's fleece actually, it's felt, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's very flaky. So I want stuff flake everywhere. Oh. Okay, that will do. Okay, so we've got a mouth. I might make one of these into a mouth as well. Maybe like a wider mouth. Let me just have a quick look. Okay, I can decide on that a bit later. I finally got some faces that I'm happy with. I'm thinking something like this. Will look really cute. Okay, so I'm now just going to use these to stick them on, and I'll start with the pink one first. Let me just move these out of the way. There. And I think I might just have to cut one of these to the shape that I want it to be. I guess maybe I could just put a whole bunch of curves and something like that maybe. Okay. I'm a bit dubious as to whether or not this is going to work. Fingers crossed. Oh, it's so tacky. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I think that'll work. Let's put the mouth on first, I think. Oh my god. That took so much time. I hope it's not always like that. Okay. Here we go. And I took the eyes in. Okay, it's not too bad, that's fine. Aww, that's quite cute. And I think what I'm going to do is get some PVA and just put it over the top so that it's not so like fluffy. Yeah, because all of this like felt just comes off and it's so annoying because it gets like stuck on the balloon because it's almost like it's static, isn't it? So it just sort of attracts itself to the latexy type surface. Okay, I think that'll hold a bit better. Oh, I'm going to put some highlights in the eyes so it doesn't look so bad. I think that'll be alright for now. Okay. Is this one? This one's sort of dry now. Yeah, I'm gonna put the Posca pen on. I've just got a white one, and I'm just gonna do like a little dot here and here. Oh. It's not exactly like a perfect circle, but I don't mind. That's quite cute. Okay. Alright, well I'm just going to let these dry then, and I'll come back and I might crochet the hats separately and just do it off camera because it will probably take a little while. But I'm thinking like a little, maybe I'll just give them all little Christmas hats, I'm not sure. This one just looks like a little stone. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, alright, I'll see you a bit later. I crocheted these little hats, which I'm now going to stick onto the heads. So it looks something like this. I first had to obviously take loads of pictures of the hats on my cats. When I was making them, Tinks, my little one, came over and she, I just had to put it on her and she just looked so cute. So then it was, you know, yeah, just loads and loads of pictures of cats with hats on. I've also got this sticky stuff, which I'm going to use to stick them on, and they've lost some of the air now. This one still has a little bit of air in, but these are, they don't have any air anymore, so they're a little bit harder, but I don't mind, they still look quite cute. And I don't know if you saw, but I put little white dots on the eyes as well because he looks adorable. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to cut up the these. I'll start with 3 maybe, so sort of 1 each. Okay. I don't know if it's going to stay, but yeah, hopefully it does. We'll see later, I guess. I think it might just take a little time. It does feel look pretty secure there, so I'm quite happy. They look like little rocks. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And I just love the little hats. I think it just adds to it, doesn't it? I'm going to nip the end of this one. Here we go. And as you can see, I just stuffed it with the leftover yarn. Oh my gosh, cute. Okay. can hear my cat in the background and I think she wants me to play with her. It's quite a sunny day today and she loves hanging out in the garden with me. Oops. Oh man. Okay. I'm just going to go sort of around the edges. Like that. So I've got a little scratch there. I was in the garden yesterday, so that might be why. I'm sure I cut more. Oh, there we go. And then I'll do this one. I sort of love that it's sitting a bit far back. It just looks so derpy. Oh, it's cute. Oh, I should have padded it out actually. I didn't think about that. Oh well. Maybe when I feel like it's actually stuck down properly, I can shove some like foam or something in there between the gaps. Yeah. Oh, look at the face. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is them all done then. Oh, I just think they are really cute. They look really derpy. But yeah, no, I had a lot of fun making them. And I just love the little hats as well. It's so cute. Look at this little top hat. And this one. Oh, it's cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.